For electric power distribution, some rigs use DC to DC power. DC to DC was the first electric power system. In a DC to DC system, each engine drives a DC generator. The DC generator converts the rotating mechanical energy of the diesel engine into DC electricity. Heavy-duty electrical cables carry DC electricity via the control panel to large 1,000 horsepower or 700 kilowatt DC motors. The motors convert the electricity back into mechanical energy. This mechanical energy powers the hoisting, rotating, and circulating equipment. For large equipment, most rig owners prefer DC motors over AC motors. DC motors put out high torque, twisting force at low speed. Further, the driller can easily control the torque from his console on the rig floor. Keep in mind, though, that recent technological advances are allowing computerized controls and variable speed AC motor drives to be used where only DC motors were used in the past. This is a generator, or alternator, on a DC to DC rig. It generates the AC electricity that DC to DC rigs need. The alternator powers smaller equipment on the DC to DC rig, like the small AC motors on centrifugal pumps. Air conditioners. Lights. Fans. Water maker units and other small equipment.